Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through on how to install and set up your Insightly Action Automation for workflow apps. Once on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. Click on Install, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has been successfully installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to a SmartKey video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the setup. At the level of the setup, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected. But no worries, we are going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, you're going to click on Start Setup and head over to your account online. Once you're here, you're going to click on the user menu, click on User Settings. On the User Settings page, you're going to scroll down and copy your API key. Once you're done, head over back to your account and paste your API key. Then click on As you can see, our app has been successfully connected. We equally have the support center. At the level of the support center, you can create a ticket for our support team or you can book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of the change log, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the updates and the changes of the app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email and click on subscribe. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you get everything set up. If you need any help, our support team is here for you 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.